Hello. Today, I want to tell you about my first job experience. This story is very important to me. It was my first time working, earning money, and learning about life in a new way. Before this job, I was a student. My life was simple. I went to school, studied, and spent time with my friends. I did not think much about work. I did not understand how hard it is to earn money. But one day, I decided to find a job. I wanted to try something new. I wanted to learn how to be more responsible. I also wanted to earn some money for myself. So I started looking for a job. At first, it was not easy. I did not have experience. I did not know where to start. I searched online. I asked my friends. I looked at many job posts. Some jobs needed experience. Some jobs needed skills that I did not have. I felt a little worried, but I did not give up. One day, I saw a job at a small cafe. They needed a part-time worker. The job was simple. Serve drinks, clean tables, and help customers. I thought, maybe I can do this. So I applied for the job. A few days later, the cafe called me. They asked me to come for an interview. I felt nervous. It was my first interview. On the day of the interview, I woke up early. I chose simple and clean clothes. I practiced some answers in my head. When I arrived at the cafe, my heart was beating fast. The manager talked to me. She asked some simple questions. Why do you want this job? Can you work on weekends? Are you friendly with customers? I tried to answer clearly. I said, I want to learn and gain experience. I can work hard. The manager smiled. She said, okay, you can start next week. I felt very happy. That was my first job. On my first day, I felt both excited and scared. There were many things to learn. I had to learn how to make drinks. I had to remember the menu. I had to learn how to talk to customers. At first, I made many mistakes. Sometimes I forgot orders. Sometimes I made the wrong drink. I felt embarrassed, but my coworkers were kind. They helped me and showed me what to do. They said, don't worry. You will get better. Day by day, I improved. I learned how to take orders quickly. I learned how to smile and talk to customers. I learned how to work with a team. Working was not always easy. Sometimes the cafe was very busy. There were many customers at the same time. I had to move fast. I had to stay focused. Sometimes I felt tired. My feet hurt after many hours of standing, but I did not stop. I told myself, this is part of learning. One thing I learned was time management. I had to balance work and my personal life. After work, I still needed time to rest. Sometimes I also studied or learned English. It was not easy, but I tried my best. Another important thing I learned was communication. I talked to many customers every day. Some customers were very kind. They smiled and said thank you. Some customers were not very friendly. At first, I felt uncomfortable, but later I understood something. Everyone is different. I learned to stay calm and polite. This helped me become more confident. One day, something special happened. A customer said to me, "You are very kind and helpful." That simple sentence made me very happy. It gave me more motivation to work. After 1 month, I received my first salary. I still remember that moment. It was not a lot of money, but it was very special. It was my money. I earned it by myself. I felt proud. I used some money to buy a small gift for my family. I also saved some money for the future. This job taught me many lessons. I learned that money is not easy to earn. I learned that hard work is important. I learned that attitude is very important. If you are positive and hardworking, people will trust you. I also learned more about myself. I realized that I can do more than I think. At first, I was afraid. I thought I could not do it, but I tried and I did it. That changed my thinking. Now I am not afraid to try new things. This job was not perfect. Sometimes I felt tired. Sometimes I made mistakes. But it was a valuable experience. It helped me grow. It helped me understand life better. After some time, I stopped working at the cafe. But I will never forget that experience. It was my first step into the real world. Now, when I see other young people, I want to tell them something. Do not be afraid to start. Your first job does not need to be perfect. It is okay to make mistakes. What is important is to learn and improve. Every experience is valuable. Even small jobs can teach big lessons. Now I feel thankful for my first job. It gave me confidence. It gave me experience. It gave me new skills. Most importantly, it helped me become a better person. In the future, I will have more jobs. I will have more experiences. But I will always remember my first job because it was the beginning. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you feel motivated to try something new. See you next time.